Get into a car with value. 2019 Mazda CX-5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. This sporty CX-5 delivers upscale style, comfort, and versatility. From its premium interior to its excellent ride quality to its SUV capability, this compact crossover was designed to exceed expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors. Style and versatility blend beautifully in this driver-focused CX-5 crossover. See for yourself when you take it out for a road test. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.